Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
It is a clear and muggy night in Austin, Texas. Temperature right now at 85, but the heat index at 90 degrees because of the high humidity. In the morning, all this moisture in the air will result in low clouds, at least briefly. 76 degrees to start the day. Sun will start coming out mid-morning, certainly by noon, a little bit of sunshine into the upper 80s. But we may see more clouds than sun tomorrow. And notice we have a rain shower, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon there, and 95 degrees. If you don't get that well-timed shower, you could even be a little bit above 95 degrees. About a 30% chance tomorrow, a little better chance day after tomorrow. More on that in a minute. Quick look at temperatures here tonight at 10 p.m. Still very warm, low and mid 80s in most locations. Factor in the humidity. It still feels like 90 here in the city. Heat index down at LaGrange still coming in at 91. Clear, 85 at Camp Mabry. At the airport, it's 81 degrees under a clear sky with 74% humidity. Variable winds at 6 miles in the city, 6 miles an hour. No wind blowing at all at the airport right now. Sun up at 6:43 in the morning. Mole count better today, about 2,000 lower than yesterday, but at 2,600, that is still high. Our allergy forecast for Wednesday, again, high mold levels with a lot of tropical moisture in place around here and much of the state. Speaking of the state tonight, it's warm and muggy in most locations. Dallas at 88, Houston 82, 84 degrees down in San Antonio right now. A few showers earlier in the day, all dissipated when the sun went down tonight. I think we'll see more of them tomorrow. You can see the circulation and the water vapor imagery right there. That is an upper level low that'll be moving onto the Texas coast tomorrow and then kind of sliding underneath this high pressure ridge and then turning up the backside of the ridge. And that puts us in a more favorable position, I think, for deeper tropical moisture. Combined with instability from the low itself and daytime heating, we should see some showers tomorrow. In fact, our computer model paints a pretty good coverage of them tomorrow, but even better precipitation chances in our area on Thursday, a little more widespread activity. We are watching that tropical system I referred to earlier, very well-developed tropical wave now moving off of Puerto Rico into the Dominican Republic area, and it appears that this system will continue to track westward, maybe over South Florida, maybe over the Keys, maybe right through the Florida Straits, which should keep it over real warm water. It is likely this storm will become a tropical depression, maybe tropical storm Bonnie as it heads towards South Florida. Two computer models turn it into Hurricane Bonnie as it enters the Gulf of Mexico early in the weekend or late Friday night. We'll watch it for you. You know we will. Tonight, the low temperatures in the mid-70s, warm and muggy all night. Tomorrow, mid-90s. Afternoon heat indices. Again, if you don't get a shower at just the right time of day, it's going to feel like 100 or above. 76 tonight with some low cloudiness coming in off the Gulf tomorrow. Again, more clouds than sun with maybe an afternoon shower if you are 30% lucky. 95 the forecast high. 30% tomorrow, 40% rain chance, maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday. Still a chance on Friday as that little low weakens and slowly moves to the north. This weekend we think it's just hot and humid, and then we have a slight chance of a shower again early part of next week. Sean will be tracking this little upper level low and that low out there in the Caribbean too in the morning every 10 minutes for you on Austin News Today.